Today I was telling about how to fix invalid session error in display plus. Now that you have been able to identify some of these reasons why not might be seeing the user session invalid message in display place, it is time that we look closely at the sum of the fixes will help you to fix that issue. Sign out and sign in. If your system has a VPN enabled that may able to catch invalid user session issues by giving the false locations for your device. VPN confuses the servers. The servers might consider it's a spam in which that won't accept the system service request. Update the Disney Plus and make sure that you have updated the Disney Plus app on smart TV on your device before you try to log in. Similar to other programs, Disney Plus also update its software regularly. You might miss the latest version update due to which is having the issues having to log in the Disney Plus and getting shown the invalid user session message and uninstall and reinstall the Disney Plus. Another fix that you can try is it to uninstall this PU Plus Disney Plus from your device and reinstall after some time as a password. If there is a bug in the system due to which your system is not able to open the Disney Plus, then doing this would solve the issue. Wait for the some time. You can also wait for some time and see the whether the issue gets resolved by itself. If the issue is happening due to some kind of technical glitch or error, then the changes the technical team is aware of it and it is trying to fix it. And in case, please wait for some time and then check whether the issue is solved. Contact the Disney Plus